What is going on here? Sounds like a party. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube studio. So I added some acoustic panel to it. If you guys remember, over a year ago I put in these LED strip lights. As you can see, I just stopped halfway. Well, as it happens, I found the remaining pieces. I reviewed this over a year ago, and as it turns out, I have two bundles. It's about 100 feet split up into 3 spindles, so about 33 feet each spindle. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these today. I'm actually going to remove these because I think when I first did this, you see how I routed it? I taped them to the back of this table. So that's the bad thing about this, is whenever I decide to move this table, I'm gonna have to remove that. So what I'm gonna do today is actually remove this strip. But I'm not gonna throw it away, I'm gonna keep it in case I need to use it. See, it's over a year and look at, it's still sticking. Very good. So the tape is strong quality, see? Nothing is drooping and it's still working fine. So let's see how it turns out. So I decided to put the remote control right there, the control unit. So I'm gonna go up, I'm gonna split it to the right. So that's 133 feet. I think that's gonna go all the way to the door. And then I'm gonna go up again and go to the left. Not coming down right here, go all the way to the left. I think it should end about right there. And let's see how it end up looking. So unfortunately, when I was trying to peel off like that, it tore off. I'm just gonna get the remaining off. Well, I guess that's gonna render this one useless. I just want to document it if it's peeling off any paint. Nope. And still fairly adhesive. Oh wait, it is peeling off some paint. But it's expected. Usually when you put these on, you don't expect it to remove them. Let's see how easy they peel without me having to climb on top. Just gonna drag along this piece. That's why I'm surprised that that front piece broke off. Hey, so easy. This is actually kind of satisfying to watch. That's the whole piece. Alright, so I have one of the spindles completely done. As you can see, 2 lines along the corner, straight up. Gotta hide it behind the acoustic panel, split it in the corners. And that's where one of the one ending up right at that corner almost. It's perfect. Now I'm turning the corner. It should probably end about right there, maybe. Alright, so here's a close-up of how it's done. I love the adhesive tape. It's definitely strong. Yeah, looks good. Alright guys, it's time for the moment of truth. I got it all done. Please let it work. Oh, for a moment there, I thought it wasn't gonna work. Look at this. Oh my goodness. See how that wrapped around before it was stopped right there? Got it wrapped around the doorway. So when you come in, you're gonna see the light flashing, and then you're gonna see it encompassing the windows, everything. Wow, that looks really good, guys. That looks really good. I like how that really stands out behind the panels right there. Because it kind of gives you that like music video look, you know? It's like a lantern. Yeah, basically that's what it is. It's like a whole light behind the lantern. Wow. Let me turn off the lights so we get a better view of it. Oh yeah, that's what's up. Let's see how it looks now. Oh my goodness. That looks tremendous. Even entryway too? So if you're looking to update your room, office, bedroom, recording a YouTube studio, definitely get a hold of these LED strip lights. It does wonders and it's perfect for the holidays and having parties, hosting parties. You know what? Gone are the days of exterior Christmas lights. Interior ones are just as good and it can be seen from outside because it's super bright. Happy holidays!